this? We live in a state where you see the 4 seasons. What happens in the fall? For those of you who, or myself included, who have a yard, don't you call people to clean the leaves? Have you thought about this? Every single leaf that fell, Allah know about it. Not only in Missouri, not only in the States, not only in America, everywhere. Imagine all the forests. Imagine Africa. Imagine South Africa, South America, everywhere. ما تسقط من ورقة, not a single leaf. Who is Allah and how much we have glorified Him. إلا يعلمها. Not, that's not it only. ولا حبة في ظلمات الأرض. Not a single seed in the middle of the darknesses of the earth. Seed. ولا رطب. Nothing moist. You know what's moist? Moist is tears. Moist is saliva. Every body fluid is moist. Not only water. Every moist. ولا رطب. ولا يابس. Nothing dry except, but they are all in a clear book. What you and I know. What you and I know, let alone every pregnant woman, let alone everyone who's going to be pregnant. Reflect on the names of Allah. The more you reflect on the name of Allah, see the feeling now you're all having? It's awe. It has to be. It has to be. The awe comes. No way. Whoever you are, how disobedient you are, it doesn't matter. It does. It does, because the more you know about the names of Allah, the more you will have this reverence about it. Subhanallah. What does the name Allah mean? That we all use. What is the name Allah? Huh? Allah. What does the name mean? I'm sorry?
The beloved one.
The beloved one, you're close. Al-Mahbub. It's true, but there is one before this. Al-Muta'allah. Al-Ma'bud. The one that you are highest level of love, and the only one that you worship. Allah. And it is one, most scholars say, it's probably the name of Allah. The name of Allah. Because Allah said in Surah Al-A'raf, وَلِلَّهِ الْأَسْمَاءُ الْحُسْنَى. To Allah belong the beautiful names. فَادْعُوهُ بِهَا. Call by Him. Reflect on the names of Allah. Move it from the casual picture on the wall to maybe few we know, to a real knowledge that will change me and bring me closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Look inside you. Look here. Look here. In these days, alhamdulillah, with the YouTube and with the technology, there is a beautiful YouTube. May Allah reward anyone. And if they are not Muslim, may Allah make them Muslim. If they are Muslim, may Allah reward them. Who showed all the creation till the baby is delivered. From the moment it's an egg and it's a sperm. And it's absolutely magnified. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. You cannot say but this word. Look inside you. Study about the eye. How do you, I and you see? How do we talk? Let alone how we swallow. Everything. Just give yourself a little bit time instead of checking, as the Imam Sulaiman yesterday said, the studies showed 150 times we check our phones. Instead of 150, just make it 100. And the 50, check about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah forgive me for this. But we need to live reality. Right? Just give a little bit more of a time. And this is for us. This is not for anyone else. It's for me. Because the more we glorify Allah, we're going to see the results of it. And it's going to show in action. It's not talk. It will show on action. So reflect on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Reflect on His names. Reflect on His creation.
تسقط من ورقة إلا يعلمها ولا حبة في ظلمات الأرض ولا رطب ولا يابس إلا في كتاب